Hello guys, review Poco M6 Pro, this version 12GB RAM memory and 512GB ROM memory. Okay, internal storage and open box. Look completion. We have device in the blue color. On this we have protected back cover and documentary. 120 Hz refresh rate, Full HD Plus resolution AMOLED display, 67W turbocharging, 5000 mAh battery, 64 megapixels main camera, and MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra. Okay, open box. We have charger with quick charge, Type-C cable, and this protected back cover in the black color. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side triple camera. On the front side 6.7-inch display, power button and volume buttons on this side. On this side a slot for SIM cards and micro SD card. This hybrid slot. Downside Type-C port speaker, second speaker, and headphones jack. Okay, turn on device. Settings. We have Android 13 and MIUI Global 14.0.1. Close this. Look onto the benchmark results. And PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level and works good. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.